Hi, I'm Mary Losi, and this is my Read 180 screencast. What is Read 180? Read 180 is a technology that assists students in the areas of reading, spelling, word, success, and writing. It consists of 4 components, which are individualized instructional software, data-driven small group instruction, direct instruction in whole and small groups, and independent reading. This technology is used for students to gain independence in reading in the classroom. The first component, individualized instructional software. What is it? It is based on the student's interests and abilities. Read 180 tailors its instruction based on the student's specific needs and interests. The goal of this is to ensure that the student's instruction and assessment works well with the student's strengths and weaknesses. This is also to allow the student to make progress the most efficiently. The next component is data-driven small group instruction. This is the data that Read 180 collects will allow the teacher to better place students in small groups based on their abilities and their interests. The goal of this is to ensure that students are comfortable with reading and working collaboratively with other students. Direct instruction in whole or small groups. What is it? Read 180 provides practices for students to complete in whole and small groups. The teacher can start a class with whole group instruction to introduce her students to new vocabulary and concepts. The goal of this is for teachers can help their students learn through various approaches and directions. Students will also be able to help each other through collaboration. Independent reading of Read 180. What is it? Students are able to choose the text they read based on their reading level and interests. Read 180 has a large variety of readings that scaffold to increase student progress. When a student finishes the reading they complete, a short writing assessment to track comprehension. The goal of this is for students to gain self-confidence when reading independently. Students will still receive individualized assistance even when their teacher is busy using this program. The first area that I chose to do an activity on is spelling. It was back-to-back spelling. So here students will work in pairs. One student will use their finger to spell out words in the other student's back. The other student will have to discover each letter to figure out the word. Once they have figured out the word, the student will have to spell it back to the other students. The students will be given a list of vocabulary words to use. Below here are 2 links. I made a video before I tested my activity and on the reactions after. If you click on them, it will take you to a YouTube video. The second area I chose is the area of reading. Students will work in small groups to make a character map consisting of characters from a story they have read in class. Students will include important qualities about the characters, which will correlate with the class vocabulary. Below here I also have the same videos for the second activity. And lastly, the difference between Read 180 and ScoopPad. Read 180 is able to have personalized learning experience for their students as well as ScoopPad. They are both tech-enhanced. They are both based off of the Common Core standards. They both consist of an online database. However, Read 180, you can do small and whole group instruction. But with ScoopPad, you're able to have more individualized benefits. There's a parent portal. The students are able to receive rewards, and you are able to make behavior reports. ScoopPad is a greater tool for the teacher's database and information bank. However, Read 180 has better programs that assist their students in making progress.